Meet BLOK, the robotic welding system built to scale with your ambition. The BLOK 500 delivers expanded capability and higher capacity, giving fabricators even more room to grow. Select your working zone, set your customized safety limits, and choose the wire that matches your toughest welding requirements. With a fully modular design, the BLOK 500 adapts to any workflow, from complex assemblies to high-volume production. Its flexibility, power, and future-proof automation all in one system. Discover smarter welding and endless possibilities with the AGT BLOK 500.